Hi everyone, this is my husband's birthday week, so I thought of surprising him with this gift which he was eyeing since a long time. It's an Apple Watch SE 2022 second generation watch. It's beautifully wrapped and it's in the midnight color. And let's not waste time and just see what is there inside the watch box. This particular model is like very stylish and comes with an aluminium case with a stunning retina display, and it is lighter as compared to the previous generation watches, and with fitness trackers and sleep tracker and heart rate monitor as well, with a retina display and obviously water resistant. So the biggest change in this watch SE2 is of the processor, which is the S8 SIP, and which is similar to that of the Ultra one. So this is the 42 watch. 44 was more heavier looking on his wrist, so I thought 42 would be the best. It comes with this wire for charging, and so as per the person selling said that it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours with the 18 hours of battery life. The best part of it about here is the sleep tracking, and I'm sure that he's going to love this feature. And so now comes the bands, unboxing of the bands. So you'll see that there are separate bands which is there, and you have to attach it to the dial of this watch. And so you have to just unbox it or take it out from this box. And I remember when I was buying it, the person had a tab where I had to choose that which band or what type of band I would like to select for this Apple Watch, and accordingly he gave me my box. And like you can see in the screen, you have to attach that strap to the display, and similarly you have to do with both of them. And depending on the wrist size, you can keep on adjusting your bands. And so finally he wore on his wrist, and I really liked it, and I am so sure that he liked it too. And that entire time he was like so happy, and because he was eyeing at this since a long time. So I have done a lot of research before buying it. It's obviously pocket friendly. It's similar to that of the Series 8. So we started pairing it with the iPhone which he has. It's very simple. If you just can follow what he's doing on the screen, you have to just start pairing it with your, first select your language obviously, and then pair it with your iPhone. And like he's doing it on the screen, you can just follow the steps. It's very easy, and the steps like took around 10 minutes to finish, and then you're good to go. And as you can see, so pairing like took half a minute, and then you have to do all the settings, and you have to choose whatever language you want for your screen, and to configure it to make the calls and texts and do all the tracking for you. And the best part is, like, if you get a phone call, if you get a message, you'll get the beeps over here. I'm sure all the other fitness trackers also does that. And one more thing what I understood is, if you're having an iPhone, it's better to buy this watch than Apple Watch rather than getting an Android, because we tried for Samsung watches as well, but the lady over there told us that it's better you go for an Apple Watch if you have an iPhone, because of the configuration. And like you can see over here, you can put the daily exercise goals, you can set the limit, the stand goals, and just configure it and for the watch with the help of your phone, so that when your iPhone is off or out of your range, your Apple Watch can use a Wi-Fi network to send and receive data. And your watch can also connect to a cellular network if it is a cellular model. So we have got the cellular model, and you can set up the Apple Watch for a family member as well, and they can use the cellular or Wi-Fi connection with their watch. So as per the salesperson, this Apple Watch is supposed to get all the major updates till 2027. And so after configuration and all, it takes around 2 to 2.5 minutes to finish the entire process. And as you can see, he is trying to see like how the screens are working, how the touch is working. It is super feather like. I hope you like this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. It's now beyond the cooking recipes in this channel. So hope you like it and see you in the next one. Bye bye.